going on? This is Nick from Network Optix. A goal this year for us is to create templated graphics for partners to promote NX through their own channels. And so far we've created a few templates and they're all available on my.networkoptix.com. And I'm here today to show you, number one, where they're located, number two, how to download them, how to work with them, and then finally how to export them. So to start, we have to go ahead and head over to my.networkoptix.com. Over here, you would sign in. I've already done that. I spent a lot of time here. So we're going to head over to the Assets section. You're going to find a card called NX Templates. Click on that. Here you'll see banner ads for Google AdWords, Microsoft Ads, things like that. Over here on the Events tab, you'll find a couple different event templates. For now, we're going to focus on a 2020 partner event template. So if you look here, they all have download links under them. They're PSD files, which is a Photoshop file. So go ahead and click the download link. It is going to download the PSD. Go ahead and open it up. Here we go. It's opening. Cool. So here we are in Photoshop with this template. There we go. And so you've noticed I've created a set of instructions for you, but I'm here, so we can just go ahead and hide that layer because I'll be here to walk you through it. So the document is comprised of 3 different types of files. You'll see here this event logo, partner logo, and background image. Those are all smart objects. These 3 here, date, location, and month, those are all text objects. And then finally there's a folder called graphics with a lock on it. That's got a bunch of like baked in graphics and things like that that you really shouldn't be messing with, so that's why I kind of locked them off. Alright, so it doesn't really matter which order you start in. I guess we could just go top down. So the way that you change or add your own event logo is pretty simple. It's a smart object. So right here where you see the little icon of, it looks like a folded piece of paper with a square and a circle, double click on that and it's going to open up a PSB. So here we are. We can go ahead and hide these 2 layers, and then today I'm going to work on an intersect event. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this intersect logo. Cool. And then we'll put that in there and go ahead and move it up. And then just to recap what I'm doing here is I'm going to File, Place, Embedded, and then now I have this Messe Frankfurt logo. Go ahead and do that, and it places it in the document. So now we can go ahead and design it a little bit. Make that look like that. I happen to note that the intersect colors are white and yellow, so we'll go ahead and maybe create like a 2-tone effect that's going on here. Let's use that yellow, and then bring that up. Oop. So that looks cool, and then we'll go ahead and throw another rectangle behind it. That one will be white. Let's go ahead and make it white. And then that's where the Messe Frankfurt logo is going to live. Alright, so once you're done and you think you got a pretty good product going on here, you're just going to save it. So I'm on a PC right now, so that's Control S. If you're on a Mac computer, that's Command S. Or if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, just File, Save. You can close that out now, and then look at that. It's updated on the main project. Right? So doing what we've done there, we're going to do the same thing for the partner logo. So once again, double click. It's going to open up this PSB, And then this is a VNS Technologies partner event, so we're going to go ahead and throw their logo in there. Scale it up a little bit. Same thing, save it, close it, and now it's updated. All right, and now we can, still moving top down, we're going to go to date. And then these are text layers, so what you want to do is just on your keyboard hit the T key, and then go ahead and just double click on it. And I know this is the 19th through 21st. Location, it's in Dubai, UAE. And then finally the month, January. Like that. Cool. So we've taken care of the text layers. And then moving down, we've got the locked folder. Don't mess with that because it has all these graphics in it, stuff like that. And then finally, we're going to move on to the background image. Once again, it's a smart object. Double click on it. We're going to hide these layers. And I've downloaded some stock images of Dubai. So we can go ahead and throw one of those in there. Let's see, let's make that bigger. Got that one. This one. I don't know, let's use that one. Alright, so we've placed it in there. Alright, cool. We can go ahead and maybe frame it up. Alright, looks cool. Hit save. Close it back out. Look at that. So, I'm noticing that maybe the palette here is a little washed out. So maybe let's try to make the colors a little bold, do a little color correction to make this VNS logo kind of jump out a little bit more, and for this stuff to not sort of get lost in the background. So once again, double click to bring up this, our background image. And the beauty about placing objects and using smart objects in general is that you're not working destructively. So you're not making changes and then permanently affecting the file. So what we could do is just do a quick color correction. My favorite way to do it, and it's just quick and easy, is to go from image to adjustments to selective color, and it allows you to make pretty bold sort of choices pretty quickly. Down here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the neutrals. We can go ahead and start to, I don't know, make it a little purple. Make it look like nighttime. Maybe head over to the blacks here. Really sort of reinforce it's nighttime. Make it pretty dark. And then finally, maybe over to the whites. Let's see. Yeah, let's bring some color into it like that. See how it's affecting the reflections in the water there. Just kind of the overall. All right, okay, cool. So we've done that. We can hit save. Then we can go back. And it's updated. And then I think this is pretty well done. So all we're going to do is you can go File, Save As. You can save it as your preferred sort of document. You can select here, JPEG or all that kind of stuff. Or you can go File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG. Same thing, different file format. And there you have it. We've made a partner event banner in, I don't know, a span of less than 10 minutes. You know, if you're a freelancer, that's still an hour of billable time. You know, and then just keep checking back to my.networkoptix.com. We're going to keep adding more and more templates. Thank you.